How does calcium work in your body for vegans? Imagine a tiny but mighty mineral that helps keep your bones strong, your muscles moving smoothly, and your nerves firing signals. That's calcium, and it's essential for your health. When you eat plant-based foods, your body works hard to absorb calcium from these sources. But it's not just about eating enough. It's about choosing the right foods that your body can actually use. Calcium is involved in many body functions beyond just building bones. It helps your muscles contract when you move or lift something. It also plays a key role in nerve signals, making sure messages travel quickly from your brain to your body. Blood clotting, hormone releases, and enzyme activity all depend on calcium too. When your body needs calcium for these tasks, it pulls it from your bloodstream. If you don't get enough from your diet, your body will take calcium from your bones, which over time can weaken them. For vegans, getting enough calcium can be a bit trickier because some plant foods contain compounds called oxalates and phytates. Oxalates, found in foods like spinach, Swiss chard, and beet greens, can bind to calcium and make it harder for your body to absorb. For example, only about 5% of calcium in high oxalate greens is absorbed. On the other hand, low oxalate vegetables like broccoli and bok choy allow about 50% of calcium to be absorbed. Good vegan sources of calcium include calcium-set tofu, fortified plant milks, and leafy greens such as kale, collard greens, and mustard greens. Legumes like beans, lentils, and peas also provide calcium, but they contain phytates that can interfere with absorption. Soaking, sprouting, or fermenting these foods can reduce phytates and boost calcium availability. Seeds and nuts, especially sesame seeds and almonds, are also rich in calcium. Research shows that vegans tend to consume less calcium than those who eat dairy or meat. Dairy products are naturally high in calcium and are easily absorbed by the body. Vegans need to plan their diet carefully to meet calcium needs, which are around 700 milligrams daily for adults. Teenagers and postmenopausal women need even more, around 800 to 1,250 milligrams. To hit these targets, vegans should include fortified plant milks, calcium-rich greens, legumes, nuts, and seeds regularly. Since plant-based diets usually have less protein than meat diets, vegans naturally lose less calcium through urine. This means they might need slightly less calcium intake than omnivores. Getting enough vitamin D is also important because it helps your body absorb calcium efficiently. You can get vitamin D from sunlight, fortified plant milks, or supplements. Avoiding too much salt, caffeine, and wheat bran can help prevent calcium loss through urine. In the end, choosing plant foods that are rich in absorbable calcium and combining them with vitamin D sources makes it possible for vegans to maintain healthy bones and support all the other functions calcium helps with. With a little planning, a vegan diet can provide all the calcium your body needs to stay strong and healthy.